It's like burning hot today. It's so hot, man, and it's literally like I'm an oven. Okay, so I'm here to show you something. And okay, get ready. Look at this. See it? How pretty are they? I love mangoes. And these are like heavenly. Let's pick it up. 1 minute. It's dangerous because I am in this portion. Yeah, okay. Let me zoom out. And another thing is our dragon fruit tree is having like so many flowers on it, and we are so happy. We are maybe gonna have a good harvest this year because last year was our first year harvesting of them, so it wasn't like too many, but yeah, that was quite good because we were satisfied. And look at this beauty, isn't it so pretty? We have some more, but these are like a little hide them. And look, the birds are eating it. It's literally like eaten by the birds, and my sister was so like irritated. Everyone, like every plate. Look at the sky, it's so pretty today. It's like a random vlog, I don't know why I'm making this, but I feel like let's make a chill vlog. Look at this beauty. Isn't it pretty? I love it. Like I really love it. It's also seasonal like the other one which I had posted in my Insta. If you haven't checked it yet, then go and check on my Insta. পালিয়াই এখন পড়ে যাবি হ্যাঁ না 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 একটু নিচে নামো ওই জন্যই তো চাপতে মানা করছিলাম। হ্যাঁ কেন গো কেন কেন ঘুমাবে না বলো, আমার কষ্ট হবে না? বড় খালার কাছে কেন ঘুমাচ্ছ? আজ আমার কাছে ঘুমাবে, কিন্তু কালকে কেন? Why? Why? Give me the reason, na? What is the reason? Why? হ্যাঁ, what হ্যাঁ? Why? আমার কাছে ঘুমালে কি হবে? আচ্ছা, do you love me? How much? How much?
এটা করো না একদম তো আপনারা